Some of you are about to lose something God gave you, and you won't even know it's gone until someone else is standing in it. Not because demons stole it, not because witches attacked it, but because when pressure came, you decided relief was more valuable than covenant. And that possibility should unsettle you. Because this isn't just a story about two brothers. It's about what happens when hunger becomes louder than destiny. Before there was stew, before there were tears, there was a prophecy. Isaac prayed for 20 years. 20 years of silence. When the children struggled inside Rebekah, she asked the Lord why. And God said, 2 nations are in your womb. The older shall serve the younger. Esau became a hunter, strong, instinctive. Jacob was quiet, observant. And scripture says something subtle. Isaac loved Esau because he ate of his game. That line should disturb you. Because when appetite shapes affection, discernment, weakness. Now listen carefully. One day, Esau came in exhausted. He said, I am about to die. But he wasn't dying. He was hungry, not dying. And this part unsettles me, because most believers don't fall when they are dying. They fall when they are uncomfortable, lonely, not abandoned, delayed, not denied, tired, not destroyed. Then he says something fatal. What good is a birthright to me? That sentence condemned him. Hardship didn't steal his person. His comfort exposed his value system. Thus Esau despised his birthright. What good is purity if I'm lonely? What good is obedience if nothing is changing? What good is prayer if heaven feels silent? And I'm not saying this casually. I've watched people start disciplined, focused, prayerful, and one difficult season slowly shifted them. Not rebellion, fatigue. Spiritual warfare is not always dramatic. Sometimes it's pressure. The enemy doesn't need to steal your destiny. It just needs you to devalue it. Time passes. Isaac grows old. His eyesight fades. He calls Esau to bless him. Notice this carefully. Isaac still intended to bless the son who sold his birthright. Preference can blind leadership. Rebekah intervenes. Jacob prepares the food. The deception unfolds. Isaac hesitates. The voice is Jacob's, but the hands are Esau's. He eats. Then he blesses him. Dominion, prosperity, authority. Blessing in scripture are not compliments. They establish trajectory. And once spoken, they were irreversible. Esau returns confidently. He prepares the meal. He walks into the tent expecting affirmation. And Isaac trembles violently. Who was there? When Esau realizes what happened, bless me, even me also. But the blessing was gone. The transfer did not begin in the tent. It began in the field. Tears came later. The transaction happened earlier. And that's what frightens me. Because regret often arrives louder than compromise did. Understand this clearly. The enemy pressures your patience. He magnifies appetite. He makes temporary relief feel urgent. And if you redefine value under pressure, you authorize transfer. Esau hated Jacob. A family fractured. One impulsive decision reshaped generations. Sin whispers comfort. It hides consequence. So now let me ask you something. What feels useless to you right now? What obedience feels inconvenient? What discipline feels unnecessary? Are you treating destiny casually because relief feels urgent? Hardship is not sin. Hunger is not sin. Delay is not sin. But despising what God entrusted to you is dangerous. Blessings do not disappear randomly. They move when they are defined. And the tragedy is not losing the blessing. The tragedy is discovering it worked after you sowed it. Some tears come too late.